Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to export Audacity file to MP3 format. If you want to do it, you need to go to File, then you need to go to Export Audio or use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+E. So I click here, then I go to Export to Computer option, and now we need to type here a track name. For example, I type here simple file. Then we need to select a folder location where we want to export our file. And the last option is format. We need to change it from WAV to MP3 files, so I click on it. And then you can see that on file name, format has been successfully changed from WAV to MP3. Now I set other settings on default, and after that I click export button. Now your file has been successfully exported to MP3 format, and you can find this file in selected folder. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.